Well, September is National Chicken Month, so a great time to be trying out a fabulous new recipe. I'm with Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken, and you've come up with some brilliant dish that I can't wait to dive into here. Tell us how we're going to make this.
Well, Terry, this is absolutely a delicious warm harvest chicken salad. It's kind of like making a sheet pan dinner, and then you bring it all together with savory feta, sweet cranberries, and we make a super zesty dressing and toss it all together, and it's simply delicious.
Okay, you're using some of my favorite vegetables here. What have you done?
Okay, so we've got 2 cups of cubed butternut squash, 2 cups of sliced Brussels sprouts, and we've got about 4 Manitoba chicken breasts that have been tossed just in a Cajun seasoning. We have a wonderful Cajun seasoning mix on manitobachicken.ca, or you can save time and just buy it already made.
Love that. Okay,
yeah.
So you've roasted this up in the oven.
Yeah, so one thing to remember is the chicken roasts at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes, and then the veggies need to cook for about another extra 15 minutes to get them nice and soft, however you like them. Yeah.
Okay, and now we're basically going to just bring these over and add them into the bowl, right?
We are, and I'm just going to help you out with that. Perfect. Parchment always makes things so much easier, right?
So easier when you're cleaning up, absolutely.
All right. Delicious. Yeah, a couple of our wonderful harvest vegetables, and we are so lucky right now that we have all these Manitoba farmers growing beautiful vegetables, raising nutritious chicken. So we actually have 144 Manitoba chicken farmers raising chickens for us, some of the highest quality chicken in the world, 12 months of the year. So we're celebrating in September, but we should be celebrating them all year long.
I love this. I actually just recently had an opportunity to visit a chicken farm, which is where I learned that we make the most high quality chicken in the world.
We absolutely do. Some of the highest quality, just the way those chickens are raised indoors, modern, well ventilated, clean barns.
Living their best life.
Living their best life. Always access to that grain-based feed and clean water. It's just a great news story.
Okay,
yeah.
So here.
Okay, all right. So we are just going to continue to add these wonderful ingredients and build the flavors. So about 1/4 cup of chopped parsley. We've got 1/2 cup of our feta cheese.
Oh, that nice salty zing.
1/2 cup of our dried cranberries. And Terry, I'm going to get you just to mix that all together. It's looking good and smelling good already.
Yes. Okay.
So, yeah, and then our last step here is we're gonna make this wonderful zesty dressing. I'm gonna get you to whisk that for me. So 1/2 cup of olive oil. We've got 1/4 cup of our red wine vinegar. About 1/2 teaspoon of our pepper and our salt. And we've got 2 teaspoons of oregano. Of course, wonderful Dijon, about 1 teaspoon of that.
To emulsify.
And then a couple cloves of fresh Manitoba local garlic goes into there. And Terry, this smells great too.
It does smell good. And right on top, right?
And here is our final step, just pour it on top. This travels great for any of your wonderful fall tables. If you're going to a potluck or celebrating Thanksgiving, add it into your back to school rotation. If you're gonna travel with this salad, you can create all of the roast ingredients, the feta, the cranberries, just save that dressing, bring it in a container to your potluck and toss it on site. And
right at the end.
It's a total crowd pleaser.
And there you have it. It looks amazing, doesn't it? Perfect for any potluck. You show up, you'll be the star. Thanks, Gina.
Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.